I first told my story in a young mums group in Porirua, and I felt the healing that it gave to not only myself but the wahine when I looked around in that room and I saw the power of being vulnerable and sharing your story, and I knew right then that I had a mission to help change lives.
Mental health is something that we in our friend group and we really discuss, so we just thought it would, quite a few of us came along because we thought it would really resonate with all of us.
I think a kaupapa like this is important because it creates a space where rangatahi feel as though it's okay for them to step into it and be open and honest about how they're feeling.
I think for sure it's just the opportunity. There's a lot of mamae. I think everyone's fully aware of how much pain, trauma, suffering there is, not just here in Aotearoa but globally. And I think events like this where it highlights those issues but it speaks to also like how to overcome them, because there's no point not talking about it.
So you need to go back and talk to them to show them some hope that where they are at the moment is not where they're stuck at. So find your own inner strength, build your own inner beauty.
The support from Te Puni Kōkiri has been integral to the scale that we've been able to do our mahi, to take our message far and wide. And the ability to remove the financial barrier for our rangatahi to sit in that audience and listen to our kōrero is what it's all about.
When I'm having a tough day, I talk about it.
Every day I meditate. Meditation is like a big part of my life.
If we can change one life or save one life in that audience, then we've come to do what we need to do to save lives and reduce the suicide rate in our country.